You're going to learn the next 5 letters. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. The consonant of the letters is G, but you will not see the consonant in the table. Because the 46 letters are basic alphabets, we don't want to create more than these alphabets. But when we want to sound more than these sounds, we add something to the letters. So now I will explain more clearly. You've learned the 5 letters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko in the previous lesson. Now you see the 5 letters ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Did you notice? The letters are exactly the same as ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, but there are some additions. These are called ten in Japanese. For example, ka plus ten is not ka anymore, but the consonant G plus the vowel a, which is Ga, so the sound will be ga. The second one, ki plus ten, this is Gi, so it will be gi. So now let's practice ga, gi, gu, ge, go. The first one is ga. 1, 2, 3, and then ten. Ga, ga. Second one is gi. 1, 2, 3, 4, ten. Gi, gi. Gi is the same as ki. You might see the letter like this, but this is also gi. Next one is gu. So 1, then ten. Gu, gu. The next one is ge. 1, 2, 3, then ten. Ge, ge. Last one is go. 1, 2, then ten. Go, go. Let's review them. What is this? Ge. What is this? Gu. What is this? Go. What is this? Gi. What is this? Ga. Well done! You've learned the 5 letters ga, gi, gu, ge, go in this lesson. So next 5 letters will be sa, shi, su, se, so. See you in the next lesson!